Most tools are presented as productivity multipliers. They promise speed, efficiency, and better results. But when you observe how tools behave inside real workflows, a different pattern starts to appear. Many tools don't actually reduce work. They increase decision-making. They introduce options, settings, dashboards, and choices. Each of these requires attention. Over time, this creates friction. The tool becomes something you need to manage, instead of something that quietly supports the process. This is not always visible at the beginning. It shows up slowly during repeated daily use. What initially feels powerful often becomes mentally expensive. This is where many productivity systems start to break. In stable workflows, the most effective tools behave differently. They do not offer many options. They do not invite constant optimization. They are predictable. The same screen appears every time. The same steps are repeated in the same order. The outcome is always familiar. This predictability removes the need to think. There is no internal negotiation, no question about what to do next. The tool fades into the background. At this point, the tool stops being software. It starts acting like infrastructure. It supports execution without demanding attention. This is not about intelligence or complexity. It is about reducing cognitive load during repetition. Over time, the simplest tool produced the most consistent output, not because it was more advanced, but because it asked less from the user. The key insight is subtle. Tools do not improve productivity by adding power. They improve productivity by removing decisions. When a tool becomes invisible, the process becomes easier to repeat. This is why complex tools often fail in simple workflows. They interrupt execution instead of supporting it. In this process, stability came from predictability, not from optimization. And that distinction matters more than it seems.